I'm going to import the Dracula theme because who doesn't like dark mode for all their code snippets? That's the themes and not star, but Dracula. So we can save this, format it, and let's use this in our app.tsx file. So I think it makes sense to put it right under the subtitle or the description here. So we can call code highlighter, and of course we will need a code parameter. And the code we can construct by using string interpolation and all the various state variables here. So we'll do const code and backticks for a multi-line string. And we want this code string to essentially look like this call, but instead of these variables, we want the actual hard-coded values. So it's immediately clear in our application what the use please stay call could actually look like. So we'll call the use please stay function. Then I'll do a new line here. And we have titles. And we'll open the brackets. And we'll take the actual titles state variable and map over them. And we want to ensure that they are wrapped in double quotes. And then we want to join those back with a new line just for readability. And so far our code block is looking pretty good. I have to add a few spaces here so it's nicely formatted. And let's continue on with the rest of our code block. We've got the interval, which is interval. We've got the animation type, which is animation type. And we've got the favicon links, and this will look similar to our titles list here. We've got the favicon links, which we have to map over. And we want the favicon link wrapped in quotes. And then joined with a comma, a new line, and some space. Let's see how that looks. Missing one space. And there we go. And finally, we have the should always play, which is the should always play. And since it's a Boolean, we do have to call toString on it. And we get our should always play value. We can then delete the empty space here. And now it looks exactly as we would call it. And it's formatted as a linter might format a call to this hook.